Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 15th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. I'm going to look at dollar yen now, and the dollar yen chart continues to be sort of consolidating really. The sharp move that we've had initially to the downside has sort of consolidated a little bit overnight. This is the reaction to the Shinzo Abe election, sort of not really massively either way, and sort of consolidating, but slight bit of yen strength on the back of it. 27 pips to the downside on dollar yen now, so 118.50 is currently where we're trading. And the reason that I sort of want to focus on this daily chart a little bit is that we've got this formation potentially of a head and shoulders top pattern. It doesn't look it doesn't sort of absolutely hit you between the eyes, because this left hand shoulder is not massively well formed on the daily chart, but I'll show you in a minute on the hourly chart that it has the potential to be a big top pattern, and if it does complete to the downside, you'd imagine certainly it'll start to come back towards that 100% level again, 113.77. Not only that, is also that once again this 161.8% fib level, I will it's acting as a bit of a basis of resistance again. 119.07 on that chart, and if you look on this hourly chart again, just zooming in, these reaction highs here are coming in around that level, around this 119.07 level. So it just seems to be that it is once again acting as a bit of a pretty good gauge on this chart. I'll zoom out here so you can see this formation of this potential head and shoulders top. So you've got this left hand shoulder here. Again, it's not massively well formed, but still it is the potential for a top pattern. This key support at 117.22 is the level we need to be watching out for. If that breaks, then well, that certainly opens the downside. We've got this broken uptrend as well, and subsequently we are sort of now forming a series of lower highs on this chart, on this hourly chart as well. So it looks more corrective at the moment than sort of sideways consolidation, because you're now starting to use this 89-hour moving average as the basis of resistance as well. So it'll be interesting to see if this 119 resistance area just continues to be used. Hourly momentum's fairly neutral, to be honest. There's no major direction being called on this chart yet, but certainly it looks like there's a little bit of a sequence of lower highs going through this chart, and I think that could ultimately put pressure back on that reaction at 117.43, which just protects that 117.22 level. So we're still waiting for this one to play out, really. As with a lot of the forex charts that I've talked about today, it's still in a bit of a state of change. No real certainty with the outlook. And with that, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.